Now, the first thing that you must do is determine if our values are perfect squares. Notice that our values, 25 and 9, are perfect squares. Therefore, we can just do this, square them directly, since 5 times 5 equals to 25, 3 times 3 equals to 9. Now, what do we do if our value is not a perfect square? Now, all you have to do is break this value down. So 50 is going to be 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square. Therefore, we can just square that up, and then we have 5 squared 2. Now, what do we do if we have variables in our fraction or radical? Now, same process. All you have to do, 36 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square. Therefore, we can just square that up and we have 6 over 3. With this radical, our index is 2. Therefore, what we're going to do is how many x squared can fit in x cubed? The answer is 1. Therefore, it's going to be 1 here. And the remaining is going to be 1. So that's x. 63 is not a perfect square. Therefore, we could just break it down into 9 times 7. 9 is a perfect square. Therefore, we could just square it up, put it outside, and we have 7 remaining. Okay, so we have 8 over 49. Again, 8 is not a perfect square. 49, though, is a perfect square. So, break 8 into 2 parts. That's going to be 4 and 2 over 7. We can square root 4. Therefore, we have 2 on the outside and 2 on the inside over 7. You can pause the video if you want. Now, to do that, all we have to do is times the numerator and denominator into square root over 5. So that's 3. So if you're going to multiply, radicals cancel out square root, so we have 5 remaining. That's our answer. So what we're going to do is to conjugate denominator. So we have 1 minus 2, square root of 2. So when we are conjugating, we are going to change the sign to positive to negative, and if it's negative, then we're going to change it to positive. Now, 4 times 1, that's 4 minus 4 square root of 2 over, again, it's going to be negative 2, because we can cancel this out. Then we have 4 minus 4 square root of 2 times it with negative 1, and our answer is going to be negative 4 plus 4 square root of 2. So square both sides. We have x over 3 equals to 4 over 25. Cross multiply, we have 25x equals to 12. Now isolate x, and then we have this. So in this expression, all we have to do is cross multiply. So that's 3 and 2 square root of x plus 1. Now, we have to isolate the radical. Therefore, we could just divide this by 2. Then we have 3 over 2 equals to square root of x plus 1. Again, to get rid of the radical, all you have to do is square both sides. So we have 9 over 4 is equals to x plus 1. Now, isolate x. So to do that, we can just subtract it by 1. Then subtract this fraction with 4 over 4. Now, why didn't we subtract by negative 1? That's because if you simplify 4 over 4, it's going to be 1. So we have x equals to 5 over 4. That's it.